large criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of a suicidal maniac.
Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Today we're making latkes or potato pancakes. It's a well-known dish, but what makes this recipe special is that there are only two ingredients in it: potatoes and onion. There is no flour and there are no eggs, which gives a great opportunity for people with gluten intolerance or egg intolerance to enjoy this amazing dish. Let's begin. And so to make latkes or potato pancakes, we'll need about 500 grams of potatoes, preferably of floury variety, and one onion. That is all. And also we'll need some cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil, some salt and pepper. I'm using white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper, which is actually the same. White pepper is black pepper with outer shells being removed. So it's the same fragrance and the same flavor. So the first step, we're going to peel the potatoes and the onion. That's all the peeling done, and the next step is we're going to you can grate it on the smallest part of your grater, or what I'm going to do is to grind it in a food processor until smooth. We're doing it in the food processor. I'm going to do it together, potatoes and onion, all together until smooth. So because I'm doing it in a food processor, I'm just going to roughly chop it. I'm using Maris Piper. It's a very versatile variety here in Britain. You can do anything with it. Anything. Mash it, roast it, fry it, bake it, anything. Let's see how it's doing. Just scraping the walls of the bowl and a little along that, like a puree consistency. So now we need a sieve, a fine sieve. Put it over a bowl and transfer everything from the bowl of the food processor, or if you grated it from wherever you grated it into the sieve. And now we're going to leave it in this sieve for about 10 minutes or so to let all the excess moisture out. Another interesting fact, that you know how the potatoes, when peeled and not cooked immediately, can get this brown sort of rusty color. That happens because the starch in the potato oxidizes. Adding the onion to this mixture not only gives a better flavor, a more complex flavor, but it also prevents the potato from getting brown. So that's been 10 minutes, plenty of water in the bowl to make sure that all the moisture is out. Just fling it around in the sieve. And now we're going to transfer it from the sieve into a bowl and season it. Some salt to your taste and some pepper. Stir it. As you can see, like I promised, because we've added raw onion to the raw potatoes, the mixture remains absolutely unchanged in color. It didn't go brown, didn't go rusty. Perfect. That is the reason why I'm using white pepper instead of black pepper, so I like this to be this perfect color. I think it's about half a teaspoon of salt I've added, roughly. Now we're going to pour some oil into a frying pan just to cover it. That's enough. To check whether or not the oil is hot enough, you insert a wooden spatula, and if nothing is happening, there is no bubbling, or there is bubbling starting, which means the oil is now hot enough. So we're going to fry them on a medium heat for about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, carefully turn them over and cook them for another 5 minutes. Time is up. We're going to fish them out and put them on a kitchen towel lined plate to get the excess oil out of them. Amazing, aren't they? They taste a little bit like McDonald's hash browns, only much better. Here we are. Our latkes is served. I'm serving them today with just some sour cream and some tomato ketchup. They don't need anything else. This is just perfect. I really hope you try them. And if you do, please let me know how they turned out. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven, and until next time, bye.